All right, what's going on, traders? So this week, the story has just been all about gold and precious metals. It has just been an insane ride this week for all of our traders, and we have made significant updates to our trading bot. You can see right now that our gold's trading bot is currently in action on its first layer with 0.06. I mean, so far, since we have introduced paradigm trading, I don't think that we have ever had profits like this, and we've been able to make significant upgrades due to the use of AI. And what a wild ride it has been for all of our members and the improvements with all of our EAs. It has just been absolutely insane. Today is actually the 30th of Jan. Let me go to the trades right now. You can see that the last trade was on the 30th of January 2026. If I go to my MT5 right now, you can see that our Z4 trading bot is currently in action right now. You can see that it actually hit our third layer. We just hit some stop losses right now because of how volatile gold has been acting, and I believe that this is going to hit another stop loss right now. Yup, it did, and that is just because New York is just about to open right now with the trades. We just hit multiple stop losses in a row, so you can see right there multiple stop losses on the 0.38. It might seem like it was a bad thing, but actually it has been one of the most profitable trading days. It actually went to the upside to 5,500, and it actually dropped about 10% in one single day today, which is unheard of gold to drop this much. So we need to be aware of what's going on around the world right now. Just minutes before Trump just nominated Kevin Warsh for the Federal Reserve Chair to succeed Jerome Powell. So much macro and geopolitical news coming out from this administration that you have to seriously be aware of what is going on in the markets. If I go to the DXY, which is the dollar index, you can see just how much the dollar has dropped all the way from up here. The levels that it's dropped to right now, the gold bot has gotten into the second layer. So right now on this 200K account, I have my first layer as 0.06. So this is my first layer, and then my second layer as 0.15, and then my third layer before it goes into a stop loss is actually going to be 0.38. So I actually ended up closing the trade right now, so you can see that it took the trade 0.15, $107, and then 0.06. This was a loss of $30. Now, you are not going to believe how much profits we made in the past week. Here is our Telegram group. Once you guys do join, you guys will have full access to our trading community. And once you go into our group chat, you will have access to our Telegram community. Today is the 30th, Friday, last trading day of the week. And just this week on the 28th, we sent out another message. We said, hey traders, we will need to send a new updated version of the gold bot once again. That's 4 updates in the past 2 weeks. Gold keeps on climbing, so we need to make constant adjustments to adapt to new market conditions. You can continue to use the latest bot until we send the new EA this week, which we did today. We actually sent out new updates right here once it broke new all-time highs. Another new update right there once it broke this previous high. Once it broke this high, we actually sent a new bot on this day. I believe that it will probably range between the 5,000 and the 5,500 level. Now let's go through some of the trades and the profits that it made this week. Look at the profits, you guys, are close to 200% in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. How is this possible? This gold trading bot trades with the trend and detects which direction it is going to go. It was able to make close to 200% in about 7-8 days because it was able to catch all of these pumps, and that is how this bot was able to make close to a 200% growth rate in just about 1 week. This was actually our first time that we reached profits like this in such a short while. Even with silver right now, silver actually broke all-time highs as well before collapsing today. It actually reacted in the same way as gold, but this has just been the story all over the news right now. And so this is why it's so important to stay up to date with what is going on in the world. But with the power of AI, we are able to scan the market in real time. $577,391.24, just like on my social trader tool, exactly the same. And then if I go to my MT5 right now, it is going to be exactly the same as well. $577,391.24. So the max stop loss on this bot is actually 1.5% on a single day. It is fully automated and it can pass any prop firm, as you can see by the percentage that it made. On this bot right now, I have my first layer on a 200K account as 0.06, and then my second layer as 0.15. And then my third layer is actually 0.38 before it goes into a stop loss. So you can see that we actually hit multiple stop losses because of the volatility. And right now, this last layer, 0.38, hit the stop loss, minus 132, minus 153, minus 145. And it is exactly the same as my MetaTrader 5 on my desktop, 132, 153, 145. So this is going to be my max stop loss, and once it does hit a 1.5% on any given day, it will actually stop trading. But today, it just so happened that we got stopped out on these last three trades. You can see right here, 0.38 got stopped out, then 0.06, $28. 0.38 got stopped out again, lost about another $300, and then lost about another $400 right here as well, as I got stopped out 0.38, 0.15, 0.06. So this is how the bot works. So on the third layer, if it does not go in our favor, it will actually close the trades in a loss. So we ended up losing about $1,000 or so with these three last trades. It hasn't taken any trades yet right now, but overall today, we made some crazy profits. You can see right here, 0.38, it ended up making 519. And then another 0.38, 485, and then $78. And then another 0.15, 0.06, just making continuous profits. Another 0.38 right there, $557 right there. 0.15, 153. On and on, just scalping in and out of the markets. 0.15, 136. It's the same as my MetaTrader 5 on my desktop. You're going to be able to see right here, just non-stop profits, 519 there. Let me show you guys. Look at all of these trades, all of these arrows. You can see all of these arrows on this huge drop right there. You can see that there are no arrows right there because the algorithm detected such a huge drastic drop. Crazy profits all throughout the day, taking hundreds of trades. All of these arrows are when the bot actually is taking trades. Let me just show you guys the profits that it made from today, and it is going to be crazy. Biggest win on our gold bot today. $144,000 in profit in one single day. Look at this. Going to today, $144,108. If I go for just this 1 week, $345,000 in profit. Last month, you can see the deposit, profit, $382,000. Here's the swap fees, the commission, balance right now, $577,000. I believe by next week, we will be hitting $1 million in profit with our updated gold trading bot. So on the 28th, right when it opened, everyone said, let's buy gold. On the 28th, gold was actually at 5,100. And everyone in our group, we were saying, let's buy, let's go, boys, time to buy gold. Easiest trading days are here. Everyone was buying gold. You can see, can't believe it's above 5,100, but we were still buying. And then we sent out this message that we were updating the gold bot. This week, we were just killing the markets. Everyone was just buying gold on the 28th. Everyone made some huge profits. We are absolutely crushing it and breaking these prop firms. Here was another member on the 28th on gold, making $458 just in the morning when Asia opened. All of the members have just been profiting this week. We had another member right here on gold, 1,419, caught every single one of these buys, $1,419. and one of our members actually secured $22,000 from FTMO. So what a crazy week it has been trading with the members of our community. So if you guys are interested in trading gold or automated trading, you guys have to join. We have updated our community so everything is flawless. And this is one of the accounts from our prop firm automation. Look at this. This member has actually secured over $30,000 in payouts from 3 different prop firms. He is expecting another payout any day now. If you guys are interested, make sure you guys join our YouTube channel. You guys can check out all of the gold update videos that I make. I make weekly update videos. You can check out this latest video right here in which we made close to $1 million using our gold trading bot. And if you guys would also like to have access, hit this link right here. Reach out to one of our members to also join our trading community.